Wow.
Mama.
That's Ellie's.
Mama.
You open it. Open it.
Pink.
Pull it right here.
Yeah.
Pull it. Wow. Good job. What is it?
Casey.
What is it? Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Say thank you. What do you say?
Talk. Yeah.
Are they books?
Car.
A car. Yeah, it's a truck.
No more.
No more in there. What do you say?
Mama.
What, whose is this? This is Ricky's.
Mama.
It's Ricky's.